That's odd. Port's quiet. No guards. Hardly any ships.
Maybe they're all off fighting one of your king's wars.
Could be.
Or could be we'll have a fight on our hands. I'll let the others know.
Ich sag doch, das geht vom einen Mist in die andere Kacke.
Oh, this couldn't be easy, could it?
Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Wir sind wieder in Eisenrad, wie man sieht. Und wir sind nicht allein in unserem Zimmer. Ja, gucke mal da.
Must you leave?
Sorry, didn't mean to wake you.
You didn't sleep, did you?
Neither did you.
We haven't slept much at all these last few weeks. I hope you don't have any regrets. About this. About us.
My only regret is what happened to your brother. If I'd only...
Please, let's not talk about Arthur. Not now. What will we do now? Now that we're... what we are.
We'll be married. And no one will be able to keep us apart. Not Griff, not his father, not Ramsay Snow.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Roderick?
Hallöchen, Popöchen.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were alone.
Good morning, Talia.
Hello, Elena. Oh, I didn't realize you two were... I mean, I didn't realize she was...
It's all right, Talia. Come in.
I really am sorry. It's just, this is urgent, Roderick. And...
Was gibt's denn?
It's all right. I can go. You two need to speak. I'll see you soon, I hope.
Tür zuzieht. Danke. Okay, Schwesterlein, was los?
I'm listening.
Last night, I was having nightmares. So I
Go on, Talia.
went back there. To the grove. And someone was there.
What do you mean?
Look.
This is a report. How many fighting men we have. Where Griff and the Whitehill garrison are being held. It even talks about Elena.
I know. It's everything. I couldn't believe it. If I hadn't seen it with my own eyes...
You said you saw someone. Who?
Someone we trusted.
Talia, I need to know who it was.
He's like family, Roderick. But it doesn't
Jetzt
matter.
sag's doch
He's a
einfach.
traitor. He endangered our house. You have to deal with him like you would any other man. I'm sure he had his reasons. But no reason
Sag
is good
es
enough.
mir
It's your
einfach.
duty to tell me, and mine to pass judgment.
Just promise me you'll kill him, Roderick. Anyone who would betray us like this deserves to die. I'm asking you as your sister.
I give you my word, Talia. The traitor will get what he deserves. Now, tell me.
Come with me. He's in the Great Hall.
Oha, jetzt werden wir rausfinden, wer der Verräter ist. Also ich habe eigentlich 2 Stück, die verdächtig sind. Das eine ist Duncan, der Waffenmeister, der verärgert ist, weil er nicht zum Wächter ernannt wurde. Und der andere ist der Meister.
Go get the guards.
Weil, keine Ahnung warum. Also eigentlich hat nur einer ein Motiv. Eigentlich nur Duncan. Ne, der heißt gar nicht Duncan, der heißt Royland, oder? Oh Mann, ich komme in den Worten durcheinander. Ja.
Hey,
Er ist es.
My lord, you scared the bloody daylights out. What's that?
You tell me.
You don't scare me, Roderick. I've known you since you were a boy. Back when you still had a spine.
You sold your loyalty like some whore in the street.
My loyalty has always been to this house. But you've been too damn blind to see it.
Now, what I didn't see is that you were a traitor.
You pushed me to this, Roderick. You brought it upon yourself.
Don't you dare start making excuses.
Excuses? Are you that naive? Look at you, Roderick. You're weak. You're weak. Just like Ethan was. Making Duncan his sentinel.
Ethan was a boy.
Ethan was a fool. And you've been making fool choices too, since the day you crawled off that corpse cart. Kissing Lud's ring when you knew we had to show strength. Taking Duncan to High Point when what you needed was an experienced soldier. Hell, you even managed to get Arthur killed.
Enough, Royland!
You've had every opportunity to save this family, but you've squandered them all. Your father would be ashamed. Hate me for it, but it's the bloody truth.
For all your counsel, all your talk, you're nothing but a fucking craven.
Says the man who survived the Red Wedding by playing dead.
The only thing that matters is that you swore an oath to obey.
I swore to your father. I'd swear to Asher if he were here. But you're a cripple who can barely hold a sword. Asher knows how to act. All you do is limp between defeats.
Shut your fucking mouth.
Finally showing some spine.
Roderick, it's Griff. He's gone.
Somebody set him free. Was this your doing?
They were going to ambush you at the trade. I just saved your life.
But Ryan...
Roland, how could you?
This was his doing. Just sentence me and be done with it.
Roderick, you promised.
Kill me. And Asher dies too.
It was the right thing.
What Royland said. We have to warn Asher.
We can't, not if he's at sea.
My lord, what do we do?
We'll meet Asher when he lands. Prepare the horses. We ride for the coast. Fight for the forest and fight for the good! Hey ho, Northwood ho! We'll fight for the riches in Ironwood! Fight for the forest, fight for the gold! Hey ho, Northwood!
You smell that? We're almost there, Wesker. Let's have a look. Come on, break it up!
Save your lovemaking for below deck.
They listen to you. Barely. But what happens if your lord brother decides he's the one in charge once we're at Ironrath? Do you expect them to follow his orders? Or will it be you commanding them? They don't know him. A lord sounds an awful lot like a master.
Doesn't matter if Roderick's lord of our house. These are my soldiers to lead.
Huh? You may want to start by telling them your brother's not to be harmed. He hasn't had a chance to win them over like you have.
Point taken. That's odd. Port's quiet. No guards. Hardly any ships.
Maybe they're all off fighting one of your king's wars.
Could be.
Or Could be we'll have a fight on our hands. I'll let the others know.
Ich sag doch, das geht vom einen Mist in die andere Kacke.
Oh, this couldn't be easy, could it?
Das stimmt doch wieder irgendwas nicht.
So, this is Westeros.
Ja, super. Sieht irgendwie nicht so einladend aus.
And small.
Ja.
Fucking
Hey,
freezing.
muss ich ihm recht
I
geben.
said
Auch
you'd
ihr
be
muss ich
big.
recht geben.
I never said you'd be warm.
Asher, thank the gods you've made it back.
You've looked better.
We've no time for small talk, brother.
Hope you're ready for a fight.
Lord's got something planned. I don't know what yet, but it won't be good.
Been stuck on a boat for weeks. Could use a good fight.
What?
Was ist denn jetzt los?
Get that gate open!
Asher, no!
It's been a while since I killed any White Hills.
Out of my way! It won't go farther!
Asher, you have to get out of there.
Looks like it's up to us. Asher! Raise the gate! They've got us outnumbered. Oh, shit! We have to get out of here.
Ja, jetzt komm. Alter. Okay, das ist...
It's stuck! Advance! The gate will fall without one of us holding it. One of us has to stay.
Boah, nö, oder? Ich muss jetzt... Wer bleibt zurück? Ich glaube, wenn ich zu lang...
My lord, you must hurry. We can't lose you. We need you to lead our house. My lord, you have to get out of there. Let me save your life and our house. Iron from ice, brother. Iron from ice. I'll hold them off. But my lord, you can't.
Asher is your new lord.
Yes, my lord. Roderick, go.
Ja... Au. Den da oben bin. Okay, das dürfte nicht zu schaffen sein. Schon rum. Oh Mann. Ja, einer musste zurückbleiben und Haus Forrester muss überleben. Und was wir im Moment brauchen, um den nächsten Tag zu überstehen, also wir im Sinne von das Haus Forrester, war Kämpfer. Und ob die ganzen Söldnergedönse, die ich mitgebracht habe, ob die auf Roderick gehört hätten, wage ich zu bezweifeln. Das Ding ist jetzt, Roderick ist tot. Und somit der Mann von Lady Eliana. Das heißt, eventuell kriegen wir auch die Soldaten von ihr nimmer, falls sie überhaupt noch welche hat. So oder so. Ja. Es läuft halt alles da drauf hinaus. Habe ich nicht in der ersten Folge gesagt, das wird nicht gut ausgehen. Jetzt mal abgesehen davon, dass es Game of Thrones ist. Ich meine, die Bücher sind noch nicht zu Ende. Aber die Serie, okay, das war, also für mein Empfinden war das schon fast ein Happy End. Ein verdammtes Kack-Happy End, wie ich es eigentlich nicht mochte oder nicht mag. Kann ich jetzt mal hier sagen, ich mochte das Ende von Daenerys. Das mochte ich. Weil, ja, natürlich wird die bekloppt. Und natürlich dreht sie am Rad. Und natürlich will sie dann hier eine große Imperatorin oder was weiß ich was werden. So, ich rede von der Serie, ganz egal. So habe ich euch ein bisschen gespoilert. Ich hoffe doch nicht. Ansonsten, ja komm, ist jetzt lang genug her. Es sollte mittlerweile bekannt sein. Ja, so. Ihr Leute, morgen geht's weiter mit der 6. und letzten Episode. Ich kann das mal hier zeigen. Sie können in meiner neuen Welt leben oder in ihrer alten Welt sterben. Okay. Morgen geht's weiter mit der letzten Episode. Das ist die Episode 6. Dann muss man mal gucken. Ich hoffe drauf, dass alle sterben am Schluss, wie immer. Ich will immer schlechte Enden. Ich will immer, dass alle sterben. Ich hoffe auf schlechte Enden und also, okay, anders gesagt. Ich liebe schlechte Enden, aber ich hoffe auf gute Enden. Sagen wir es mal so. Ne? Es ist nicht so, dass ich sage, ich mag das schon. Also ich finde das schon gut, wenn Leute, gerade wenn man mit denen sympathisieren kann und sowas, wenn es für die gut ausgeht. Aber für die Geschichte hoffe ich immer auf ein schlechtes Ende. Naja, das werden wir morgen sehen. Morgen die erste Folge von der 6. Staffel, die erste Folge von der 6. Episode und der letzten Episode. Also spätestens da wird sich einiges ändern. Bis morgen, ihr Leute. Ciao.